Here, this sequence is made for mobile, like the width and the height are appropriate for mobiles. But what if we want to add a video with different proportions for screens, for example, like this one? Okay, let's add it here. You see, this message says the clip doesn't match the sequence settings because these settings, the width and the height, are different from this video. This video is for screens and this is for mobile. So we can keep the existing settings. We can put this video on the mobile size, but of course it cannot fit this. Or we can change the sequence settings to fit this new video, okay? And that's what I will do, change the sequence settings. And here, you see, the sequence is now width and height for the screen, not for the mobile. And that's pretty much it for this video.